After having a recent flight to Europe canceled due to weather, the airline put us up at the Splash Beach Resort on Mai Khao Beach in Phuket, Thailand. Come along and we'll show you the resort and give you a tour of our room. This is Khaki Shorts, where we cover travel, food, and just utter nonsense. Due to some bad weather over Thailand, the Phuket airport was shut down and over a dozen flights were diverted. Our plane, which was to take us to Frankfurt, landed in Krabi, but due to crew issues couldn't make it to Phuket on the same day, so Etihad put us all up in resorts for the night. We ended up at the Splash Beach Resort, which is just north of the airport on Mai Khao Beach. Check-in was a bit of a struggle since the airline dropped off 2 buses of passengers at the same time, but the hotel staff actually did an admirable job handling it all. While waiting, we checked out the bar near the lobby. Sarah had a fresh coconut, and I enjoyed a watermelon shake. Although we didn't visit, this resort does have a water park called Splash Jungle. It's not included with the price of the room, although some packages may bundle it in. It's 850 baht per day, or around $24 US. This resort is pretty large, so after check-in we took advantage of their electric cart service to get us and our luggage to our room. If you don't want to walk and need a ride during your stay, just flag one down, or call the front desk and let them know your building number so the driver will know to stop by and pick you up. You can visit one of their 2 restaurants, as well as numerous pools throughout the resort. This one is right by the beach. Let's pop into our room and give you a tour. All right, room 2205. We got a nice little sitting area here with some free water, kettle, huge TV, umbrella. Nice little seating area here. There's actually sliding doors, so you can close these between the living area and the bedroom. Nice big bed. Television in here as well. A place to put your suitcase. There's a little seating area over here. You can't see it because it's dark right now, but there's actually a little balcony out here. You can't see it, it's dark out. It actually overlooks the courtyard. So now I'll go in and show you the bathroom area. All right, huge bathroom area. They have this makeup chair here. Huge wardrobe. A safe. Mirror doors. I think there's actually a couple of robes. There are. It's always nice. Some slippers. Huge tub. Might get some use out of that later. Along with a double sink. So you can both do stuff at the same time. There's a pocket door. Goes into the toilet area. Toilet with your bone gun. Telephone. Nice. And then the shower area, decent size with a handheld as well as a rain shower head. So this is a huge, huge room for 2 people. Plenty of room, lots of doors. Sarah's relaxing on the couch in here already. So we are actually about to get cleaned up and just relax for the rest of the night after walking down to Mai Khao Beach and seeing the planes. Since this resort is so close to the airport, it has its pros and cons. Yes, the planes can be quite noisy. They're taking off right behind the resort. On the pro side, you can walk up the beach a short stretch and see the planes take off or land right over your head as the runway ends at the ocean. We were up early the next morning for a bus ride back to the airport to catch our flight to Europe, but glad we got to experience this resort and also visit Mai Khao Beach. Thanks everybody for watching. Be sure to like this video, hit the subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos about our life in Thailand and our trips around the world.